Give me just 5 minutes and I'll make you dangerously smart with AI. I use AI like the top 1% for the 7 days. And the results were shocking. Look, AI is everywhere right now. Everyone is saying use AI, save time, be productive. Nobody is asking this question. Is AI actually making you smarter or just making you lazy? So I decided to test it. For 7 days, I use AI the way top 1% people use it. And honestly, I was not expecting this result. On day 1, I use AI like most people do. I used it to write emails, give me ideas, give me this, summarize this, and yes, it was fast. But genuinely, something felt off. I was actually not thinking, I was just accepting whatever AI gave me. On day 2, it even got worse. I started using AI for every small things that even I could do it by myself. That's when I realized I am not using AI is using me. So I changed one simple rule. AI does the boring work and I'll do the important things. So for example, instead of saying write me a business plan, I said give me rough draft and I'll improve it. The first output was not great, but now I had something to work on. Now I was thinking again. Now in another use case, I let AI do the research, but I made the decisions. And honestly, this also felt slow at first. On day 4, I almost went back to the old ways. On day 5 and 6, I tried something different. Instead of asking AI for answers, I said don't answer, ask me questions. And this changed everything. I gave AI a business idea. Instead of giving suggestions, it started questioning me back. Who is your target customer? Why will they pay you? What are your USP? Honestly, it felt uncomfortable to me, like I was being tested. And that is actually what I wanted, right? But that's when it clicked. This is how real thinking improves. By day 6, I was not depending on AI anymore. I was using it to challenge myself. On day 7, real results started showing. I wrote a full business plan in under 40 minutes. Earlier, this would take me hours to do it. I even got content ideas that I genuinely was not thinking before. And the biggest change, I stopped opening AI for small tasks. Now I think first, then I use AI. So the transformation was on day 1, I was passive, just copying and pasting. On day 4, I was confused, but at least trying. On day 7, I was very clear, focused, and in control. Most people use AI to avoid thinking. Top 1% use AI to think better than everyone else. That's the difference. Now try this for 7 days, you will see the difference yourself.